How does it feel to be living the good life now?
Amazing. Like I remember coming to these and as I was going through this and listening to people talk about what it's like afterwards and what it's like getting in a position, and I'm like, yeah, but is it really? Yeah, it's freaking awesome. So yeah, it's
So
fantastic.
they weren't lying, huh?
They were not.
They
They
weren't
were not.
lying. You aren't lying.
No, I've even actually broached the subject with a couple of my friends and said, you guys should look at going into this. And I was going through the process at the time, and they were like, well, let me see if you get a job first and what it's really like afterwards. And now I have the job, and they're still like, and I'm like, dude, seriously, look at what I'm doing right now. Are you kidding me? Like, this is my daily life. You know, I can kind of go do whatever I need to do at any point in time. And you guys are stuck doing 9 to 5 and have to be to work at a specific time and drive there. What's that? Come on now.
What is that?